Fine, let us start solving the problem based on 2019 Sainik School entrance examination. This is the problem number 1, right? Let us check out this. Right, a student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Right, so what we need to do here is, it's a very simple problem. First of all, we need to multiply and then subtract. This is a simple multiplication and subtraction problem. Let us just start working on it. First of all, a student multiplied 7236 by 65. Okay, let us go with this. 7236 into 65. Instead of this, right, instead of multiplying by 56, he is supposed to multiply this 7236 by 56. Instead of this, he multiplied with this, that is 65. So we need to find the difference of it, and that will be the correct answer. Let us check out here. Let me start working on this. So 7236 into 65. So just multiply it. 5 6 is 30, right? 3 carry. 5 3 is 15 plus 3 18. 1 carry, right? 5 2 is 10 plus 1 11. 1. 5 7 is 35 plus 1 is 36. Then 6 6 is 36. 6 3 carry. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21. 2. So 6 2 is 12 plus 2 14. 1 carry. 6 7 is 42 plus 2 44. Correct. 42 plus 2 is 44. Correct. Let us check out once again. So 6 6 is 36. 3 carry. Right. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21. 2 carry. 6 2 is 12 plus 2 14. 1 carry. 6 7 is 42 plus 1 is 43. You need to be careful. Right, this. Now add this. 0. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0. 1 carry. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. So this will become 470 340. Now multiply this. Right. Let us start. 6, I need to multiply 7 to 3 6. So that we have multiplied here, that is 4 3 4 1 6. And 5, if you multiply 7236 into 5, we are going to get 36,180. That I will place it here. 36,180. Now add this. 6 1 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 carry. 3 plus 2 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry. This will become 405 to 116. Right. Now find the difference of it. That is 470 340 minus 405216. Now subtract this. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Right. 2 minus 2 is 0. Correct. 3 minus 1 is 2. Correct. 3 minus 2 is 1. Correct. So 0 minus 5 is not possible. So take a carry from this. That is 10 minus 5 is 5. Right. Now 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. The answer is 65,124. So the answer here is B. Hope you understood, right? Fine.